Welcome to our YouTube channel, Essentially Unique DIY. We're so glad you're here with us today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own pet shampoo using chamomile essential oil and oatmeal. This DIY project is not only fun, but also ensures that your pet gets the best natural care. It's a super simple recipe that's gentle and perfect for your furry friends. Plus, it's free from harsh chemicals that can irritate their skin. So let's dive right in. This is going to be a fun and rewarding project. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. Having everything ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. You'll need 1 cup of water. Water is the base of our shampoo and helps to mix all the ingredients together. 1 cup of oat flour, or you can grind regular oatmeal into a fine powder. Oat flour is excellent for soothing and moisturizing your pet's skin. 1 tablespoon of liquid Castile soap. This soap is gentle and effective, making it perfect for cleaning your pet without causing dryness. 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, which means it helps to retain moisture in your pet's coat. 10 drops of chamomile essential oil. Chamomile is known for its calming properties and pleasant scent, making bath time a more relaxing experience for your pet. Got everything? Great. Now, let's get started. This is where the magic happens. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the oat flour and water. Stir it well until it forms a smooth, creamy mixture. This will be the base of our shampoo. Oats are fantastic for soothing your pet's skin, especially if they have any irritation or dryness. They also add a nice texture to the shampoo. Next, add the liquid Castile soap to the mixture. Castile soap is gentle, natural, and perfect for cleaning without stripping away those essential oils from your pet's coat. It's a great choice for pets with sensitive skin. Now, pour in the vegetable glycerin. This is a great ingredient because it helps to lock in moisture, leaving your pet's coat soft and shiny. Glycerin also adds a bit of thickness to the shampoo. Finally, add the chamomile essential oil. Chamomile is known for its calming properties and pleasant scent, making bath time a more relaxing experience for your pet. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe irritated skin. Give everything a good stir until it's all well combined. Make sure there are no lumps and the mixture is smooth. And voila, you've just made your own pet shampoo. It's that simple and easy. To use, simply wet your pet's fur with warm water, apply the shampoo, and gently massage it in. Make sure to cover all areas, especially those that tend to get dirtier. Rinse thoroughly to make sure there's no residue left behind. This is important to prevent any irritation. Remember to always test a small amount of the shampoo on your pet's skin first to check for any allergic reactions. Safety first. And there you have it. A simple, natural pet shampoo that you can feel good about using. Your pets will love it, and their coats will thank you. They'll look and feel amazing. If you enjoyed this DIY, be sure to give us a thumbs up, share this video with other pet owners, and subscribe to Essentially Unique DIY for more amazing projects. We have plenty of fun and useful DIYs coming up. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know how this shampoo worked for your furry friend. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care and happy DIYing.